Hey everyone, it's AimTechs here today. If you've ever thought your car could use a serious upgrade, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 10 Amazon car gadgets that are on a whole new level. These are the kind of gadgets that make you go, wait, why don't I already have this? We've got tech that'll blow your mind, save you time, money, and effort, and make your driving experience 10 times cooler. Stick around because number one is something so futuristic, Elon Musk might just steal the idea. Let's dive in. The magic creeper mat. You know that awkward belly crawl when trying to check under your car? Yeah, let's leave that in the past. The magic creeper mat is a zero ground clearance rolling mat that lets you glide under your car like a ninja on wheels. It works on gravel, asphalt, and even rough terrain. Plus, it's oil resistant, waterproof, and way comfier than laying on a piece of cardboard like a medieval peasant. If you do any kind of car maintenance, this thing is a game changer. And let's be real, now you can fix your car without looking like you just lost a wrestling match with the pavement. Number 9, the Hitch Hotel. Imagine pulling up to a scenic spot and unfolding an entire hotel from the back of your car. Sounds wild, right? The Hitch Hotel is a compact, towable sleeping space that extends to fit 3 people comfortably. Perfect for road trips, overland adventures, or when your in-laws come to visit and you accidentally forget to book them a hotel. No tent? No problem. Just attach, expand, and boom. Instant road trip luxury. Plus, it makes you look like a camping pro, even if the only outdoor experience you have is setting up a backyard barbecue. 8 E-Tender electric car range extender. A tiny trailer being attached to an electric car, with text saying EVs just leveled up. Range anxiety? Not today. The EP Tender is basically a power bank on wheels for your electric car. It tows behind your EV and gives you up to 360 extra miles of range. No more panicking when the battery dips below 10%. Just hook it up and drive like you stole it, responsibly of course. It's like giving your EV an energy drink, minus the questionable ingredients. 7. Clearview Power Slide Fridge Tray. Ever tried grabbing a drink from your car fridge, only to feel like you need the flexibility of a Cirque du Soleil acrobat? The Clearview Power Slide lets you lower your fridge with the push of a button. It's smooth, sturdy, and can lift up to 397 pounds. So unless your fridge doubles as a safe, you're good. Road trip drinks? Upgraded. Now you can flex on your friends by casually lowering your fridge like it's a high-tech secret compartment from a spy movie. 6 Nuna Rev 360-degree rotating car seat. Parents, this one's for you. The Nuna Rev car seat rotates 360 degrees, so no more awkward bending and twisting to buckle your little one in. It's built like a luxury recliner, with side impact protection, energy-absorbing foam, and plush cushioning. Because let's be honest, your baby deserves better than your 2003 Corolla's worn-out fabric seats. And hey, anything that makes dealing with a fussy toddler easier is a win in our book. 5 Rough Country's laser LED light system. Want your car to look like it's straight out of Fast and Furious Space Edition? This laser-powered LED light system gives you multiple colors, insane brightness, and serious off-road visibility. With 12,200 lumens per color and a convex lens for better water reflection, it's perfect for night driving, off-road adventures, or just flexing on your neighbors. Your car will shine brighter than your future after a caffeine-fueled all-nighter. Hankook iFlex Airless Tires. Flat tires? Never again. The Hankook iFlex is an airless tire that never goes flat. It's built with a high-tech mesh structure that absorbs shocks like a dream. Plus, it's fully recyclable and eco-friendly. It's like if a tire and a trampoline had a genius baby. Imagine never having to pull over to change a tire in the middle of nowhere. Pure bliss. 3 Loki Basecamp Falcon Truck Camper. Camping just got a serious upgrade. The Loki Basecamp Falcon turns your truck into a fully equipped mobile home, complete with solar panels, an induction cooktop, and a rooftop deck. It's so fancy, you might forget you're roughing it. You'll feel like a tech billionaire going off-grid, minus the $1 billion. 2. Thermal Master Night Vision Camera. Driving at night? This thermal night vision camera detects pedestrians, animals, and other cars up to 328 yards away, even in complete darkness. It's basically Batman's detective mode for your car. Because let's be honest, your headlights only do so much, and surprise wildlife encounters aren't on anyone's bucket list. One, the Citroën 1919 concept car, a futuristic spaceship-like car with giant wheels. This electric car looks straight out of a sci-fi movie with a floating bubble cabin, AI-powered personal assistant, and a mind-blowing 497-mile range. If the Jetsons had a car, this would be it. It's the closest thing to hovering we've got right now. Imtex, and that's a wrap. Which of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for more crazy car tech. Stay awesome, and see you in the next one.